Number 6, profits rise. It means an increase in the earnings or profitability of a business.
Last quarter, their profits rose significantly. Last quarter, their profits rose significantly. The company expects profits to rise next year. The company expects profits to rise next year. When profits rise, shareholders are usually happy. When profits rise, shareholders are usually happy.
Number 7, rate rises sharply. It means to increase quickly and by a significant amount.
The interest rate rises sharply this year. The interest rate rises sharply this year. When the unemployment rate rises sharply, concern grows. When the unemployment rate rises sharply, concern grows. The inflation rate rises sharply, affecting everyone. The inflation rate rises sharply, affecting everyone.
Number 8, roar with laughter. It means to laugh loudly and heartily.
The crowd roared with laughter at the comedian's joke. The crowd roared with laughter at the comedian's joke. He roared with laughter after hearing the funny story. He roared with laughter after hearing the funny story. The movie made us all roar with laughter. The movie made us all roar with laughter.
Number 9, rob a person. It means to steal from someone, often using threats or violence.
The thief was caught trying to rob a person. The thief was caught trying to rob a person. She was shocked when someone tried to rob her. She was shocked when someone tried to rob her. Never attempt to rob a person. It's dangerous and illegal. Never attempt to rob a person. It's dangerous and illegal.
Number 10, round a bend. It means to move around a curve in a road or path.
The road rounds a bend near the river. The road rounds a bend near the river. As we rounded the bend, a deer appeared. As we rounded the bend, a deer appeared. Drive carefully as you round the bend. Drive carefully as you round the bend.